BittyBrush. Hello, let's draw a police car step by step. Wheel number 1. Wheel number 2. You're doing great. Let's draw a window. Perfectly. Let's spell the word police. Very well. Let's paint the car. The color is blue, yellow, red. What a great car it turned out to be! Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.